welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And welcome if you're new here. My name is Sydney. Today we're going to be doing a look that you guys picked out on my Instagram poll. I think it was a few days ago I did an Instagram poll asking what products that you wanted me to use out of the options that I gave everyone. And I just am doing the majority rules for this one, so I'm really excited, and you guys picked out some really good stuff, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys are interested in seeing me do this look, then keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to be doing my primer. I'm just going to be doing my normal makeup routine and just following the guides that you guys gave me. Some of the ones that I didn't ask for the poll on was like my primer, my setting powder, and stuff that I really didn't have like enough to vote on. So I'm just using my regular ones that I usually use, and the rest are going to be the ones you guys voted on. So I'm going in with my E.L.F. Luminous Putty Primer. I love this primer. I love a very luminous, dewy look, and I think it looks really well under my foundation. And kind of just brightens the skin and gives it like a little bit of a glow. It's only like $8, so honestly it's pretty good. And before I forget, my accessory details. I am wearing a cute little purple bow headband from Lightly Threads Up, and I'm wearing these cute little magic toad gauges from Hear No Evil Jewelry, and you can use my code Insydious for 10% off. It's not affiliated. This is for you guys to save some money. Next, I'm putting on the voted E.L.F. foundation. I don't know if this is the Flawless Satin foundation. This isn't like the new camo foundation. I haven't tried that one yet. I'm gonna go wet my beauty sponge and start putting on the foundation. I haven't used this foundation in a while, but it might be a little too pale for me now. I've gotten a wee bit of a tan since I've been back from my cruise. So yeah, it's a little bit too pale, but that's okay. I will use my bronzer, try to deepen things up a little bit, try to make it a little bit more even. I do like that this foundation goes a long way. I think it's like medium coverage, like a solid medium coverage, but it definitely can be buildable to a higher coverage, I think. I don't like a full high coverage type of looks. I usually do either light or medium. And next I'm doing my Gimme Glow setting powder. Unfortunately, I just found out that these are going to be discontinued soon, and I'm super sad. I might definitely snag one up before they completely are discontinued, because this is my favorite setting spray. This is my favorite setting powder ever. It's just so fine, and it just lays on the foundation. It lays on the skin beautifully. It covers all of my darkness under my eyes, and it just makes my skin feel really nice and smooth and powdery. Next, I'm going in my brow gel. I've been using the E.L.F. Wow Brow recently, and I really like this for my brows because it doesn't give it too much of a harsh look. It just gives it like just enough, like just a pinch more, like coverage, I guess, for the brows. It's just not too much, it's not too dark, because sometimes, since my hair is really naturally dark, I use the dark brow gels a lot. But usually just too dark, and then the next one above that one's too light, and I can't really fill in my brows, which sucks, but this one I really like. All right, next I'm doing the bronzer. This was also one that wasn't in the vote because I only use this bronzer. I only have one bronzer, but it works for me. And I hit pan on it and I'm just gonna keep going. Then I'm gonna try another bronzer. I'm trying to go completely cruelty-free on my channel. But I still wanna make sure all of my stuff is being used up at least because I paid for it. I won't be repurchasing anything from Physicians Formula unless they were to become cruelty-free. Yeah, that makes my foundation look a lot less ghostly on me. So next we're going with the voted Moira Ombre Blush, and this is in Morning Sunshine. This blush is just absolutely stunning. The imprint is just so beautiful, and to see it's like a pink and then it's a purple and then it turns into a yellow. And it's absolutely gorgeous when you like, you know, mix them in together. I love it. It looks beautiful on the cheeks. Such a unique blush to me. I'm going a little bit heavier with the blush today, just because I'm feeling a little bit blushy today, I guess. I normally go pretty light with blush, but I don't know. Today I'm just feeling like a heavy blush day, and it's cute. I like it. Next, I'm going to use my GlamLite Concha highlighter, and this is in, what was the shade? Okay, well, it doesn't tell me, but it's this cute, like purpley pink one. I really like it. I've been using this for a little bit. I'm going to be using this as my highlighter. Oh, I love that highlighter. It's so cute. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with my GlamLite Eye-cing eye primer as usual. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, and you guys voted the adorable and hilarious Sugar Drizzle Cosmetics Paint Me Green and Call Me a Pickle because I'm done dealing with you. That name is so freaking hilarious, and I had to pick it up because, you know, why not? It is a 6-shade palette. It has 2 mattes and 4 shimmers. This is what the inside color story looks like, and I think it's really cute. I love the greens and the shifty pink and purpley green color. I'm really excited to use this. So I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shade Tickle My Pickle. Oh, that shade is so cute. I love it. I love a good olive shade. I love the color olive, and I think it's a gorgeous eyeshadow shade. I think it looks good on literally everybody. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to put that to cut the crease. Okay, now we're primed and cut. Next, I am going to use the shade Dill Pickles, and I'm going to put that in the inner part of my lid. Oh, that looks so beautiful next to the green. It complements it so well. I love that. I think it's looking so cute so far. From here, it kind of looks like there's nothing on my lid for some reason, but I promise there is, and it's gorgeous. Let me try to go in with my finger. Yeah, I definitely can see it a little more. There's always a little bit more pigment payoff when you use your finger. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Pickle Juice, which is this beautiful bluish purple duochrome shade. I'm going to put that on the outer parts of my lid. Oh, those are so beautiful together. I'm obsessed with this shade. This might be my favorite palette. I mean, this might be my favorite shade in the palette, honestly. It's so cute. I love the way this is turning out. I'm gonna go back in with the olive shade. I feel like it needs a little bit more pigment. This is such a cute look. I love the way this is looking. It's very green and purple, but it's also like springy. Next, I'm gonna go in with Dr. Pickles, this deep matte teal on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna do one more. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with In a Pickle, this cute lime duochrome type shade. It's a really beautiful shade. I really like this one. Oh, that's so cute. All right, I think we're good with the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to do a eyeliner in glitter. And for the eyeliner, you guys picked colorful. I did a category of white, black, and colorful ones because I have all three of those options. So I'm going to do a colorful one for sure. I'm going to go in with this Colourpop liner in the color Prance. And I think it'll be a really cute spring look if I add this color. That's really cute. I really like that liner with this look. It's very springy and it's really cute. And next I'm going to do a glitter. I did a vote on that as well, and you guys voted for the category purples. So I have these two purple glitters right here. And I do have a glitter gel. This is a purple one. This is the Colourpop Nightmare Before Christmas one in the shade of Master of Fright. This one is a more lavendery pinkish purple. This was from I think this was the Sailor Moon collection with Colourpop, and that's a Glitterly Obsessed gel as well. Let's see, I'm trying to think. You know what, I think that this one's gonna look really cool. This is the purple glitter, and it has like really cute green chips to it, and I think that would be perfect for this look. I'm trying to open it without getting it everywhere. No. I've totally done that before. I'm gonna put some glitter glue on. I'm gonna put this on the outer parts of my lid. Kind of just add a little accent to the eye without it completely taking over the eyeshadow, because that's kind of the star of the show. That's pretty cute. I like that. So you guys voted for these purple and spiky black lashes right here. They're kind of wispy. I got these from Dollar General while I was there, and they were like 25 cents. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna pick them up. I'm gonna do it, and this is happening. I've never tried purple lashes, but I'm really excited because purple is my favorite color, and hopefully it'll look pretty cute with this. I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Clear Lash Glue. I've been using this more recently and I really like how it applies better. In my opinion, it does. Okay, so these are the purple lashes and I really like them. I think the band and the lashes are extremely cheap. I'm sorry, but it was kind of hard to maneuver around a little bit and they're just really thin. I feel like they won't last like forever, like as long as like one of my other lashes, but I do really like the color concept of having colored lashes, so I feel like I'm gonna get some and I'm gonna try some and it's gonna be cute. And yeah, it's gonna be another makeup adventure. Lastly, but not leastly, we have the lips. So you guys voted. The options were gloss, matte, or a lip tint, and you guys voted matte. So I'm going to do that. I recently got in some new liquid lipsticks, so I'm excited to try these out. I'm gonna go in with this shade, and this is from Atomic Makeup, and I haven't used any of their products yet, so I was really excited to pick this up, and I heard really good things about their liquid lipstick formula. This is in the shade Never Again, which is a matte, and on the site it showed like a grayish brown. Guys, look at this lip. What the heck? This is so freaking gorgeous. I'm going to wear this so much. This is so cute and grungy, and there's just like a hint of purple. I think it goes really well with just like the purple vibes of this look, and then the green little plugs go with the green of this look, and I'm just loving this. Hooked me up by voting for this makeup. Like, this is a stunning look. I'm just really excited, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did filming it. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing to my channel and you'll be welcomed into our little family here. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys want to know when I'm uploading a video, just make sure you click the notification bell down right next to the description box, and that will let you know when I upload. Also, all of my details with the products that I used today will be linked down below, as well as my discount codes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.